Dirty fiber optic connectors are the leading cause of network failures. It is therefore particularly important to ensure that any connector is clean and in good condition. While this video covers the cleaning of the LXM light source connector, the general approach applies to any connector. The entire inspection and cleaning process is easy to perform, and the workflow is outlined here. Begin by completing an initial inspection. To perform the inspection, you can use the FIP 500, equipped with an MPO APC tip. Simply insert it in the board, and then you have your pass-fail result. And in this case, we see it's a fail. A fail can mean one of two things: either the connector is dirty or the connector is damaged. If your inspection results keep failing despite multiple cleaning attempts, the connector is most likely damaged and needs to be replaced. In this case, the connector is dirty and requires cleaning. You can use a one-click pen to clean the connector to make sure that there's no dust or particle in it. Simply open the door, insert the one-click pen, and give it 2 clicks. It is always important to re-inspect the connector to ensure that it is in good condition after the cleaning. So you would put it back in and start the inspection, and as you can see, the port is now clean, so the unit is ready to perform tests.